the new Melanin Hair Care. Y'all ain't know I can sing? I can't sing, child, but I like to sing. Ain't that funny? You like to do stuff you can't do. Okay, so of course you guys already know that this is not new, but it is new to me. Yes, I am late AF. Don't judge me. Out of all the products that I be buying, I ain't getting these. But when Black Friday came around, I said, I'm getting it. But wasn't no Black Friday sale, and I'm like, what? Then she was like, I ain't doing a Black Friday sale because I'm about to launch some new fire. So I'm like, okay. So I waited and bam! Look at that. Look at this. The size of this bottle just makes me, I ain't gonna say it. I'm already excited because I've heard nothing but amazing things about these products. So I'm not even looking to have to read these products. I'm like, I know I'm not gonna have to drag them. I already know. So just to show you guys what I got her signature twist elongating cream, this oil, which I heard is absolutely amazing, and the new multi-use leave-in. So I know this is probably what you guys are here for because a lot of you are aware of how amazing the other products are, but this leave-in is to be used or can be used in 7 different ways. So you can use it as a pre-poo, a detangler, a regular conditioner, a deep conditioner, a weekly refresher, a styler, and I'm always missing one. Oh, a leave-in. Duh. I also received the free gift of the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I already have one. So this will actually be going in a giveaway box. So look out for that because giveaway is coming soon. So my hair is already washed or shampooed, and I use the Mael Hawaiian Ginger shampoo, which is one of my new favorites for 2020 as far as shampoos go. So here we go. You know, it's like a few things in life that make me dance other than music, and new products is definitely one of them. Like, just makes me so happy. Feels good though. My hair has been in kind of like a protein overload mood lately. Because just with the products I've been using, I've just been using a lot of protein. So I'm super looking forward to this deep conditioner because it is supposed to be super moisturizing. I believe it still does have a little protein in it, but I think I'm gonna get more moisture than anything. So let's give this baby a go. Ooh, it smells like spearmint gum, honey. Nice light creamy consistency. Ooh, it feels like it's gonna feel good. Ooh. I do feel like this would give you enough slip to detangle if you wanted to. Yeah, you could detangle with it. Okay, you guys, so what I noticed from doing this side, I saturated it with water and the product worked even better. So I'm only imagining how it will work if you are someone who washes your hair in the shower. Sometimes I do wash my hair in the shower, so I'll be trying that too with this. But yeah, this. Okay, you guys, so the product is all distributed through my hair, and distributing through my hair was a breeze. Like, the product felt really good going on. And like I said, when you put the water in your hair and saturate it even more, it was even more slippery. It was working even better and better and better the wetter your hair is. So if you do your hair in the shower, it will work amazing. This is how much product I use for my deep conditioner. So I pre-ordered more of these because I'm just super heavy-handed. I can't help it, and it's fine. I can support my own habit. That's what's important. So I'm gonna go ahead and get under my hot head, and I'll probably let this sit on for about 30 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think. This feels so good. This is amazing as a deep conditioner. For sure. My hair feels very, very good. Very good. Yeah, it's not just soft, it's moisturized too. Like, I can feel it. I can feel the moisture in it for sure. So that feels really, really good. So as far as styling, I definitely want to do a twist style because these products are known for being really good for a twist style. But I want to do it on blown out hair. So I'm actually going to apply the leave-in, and then I'm going to go in with my Rev Air and go ahead and blow it out the best I can before I actually do the twist. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. So I am just going to go ahead and use this twist cream and this oil and twist my hair up. And I think I might throw maybe some of these rods on the end just to keep it like stretched out. So I'm ready. Let's go. Hey you guys, so this is the final look and I like it. I really do. One thing I will say is do not put these on the ends of your hair. That look dumb. Don't do it. Anyway, as far as the products go though, and my hair, like, I am happy with it. This is how it looks. I am not sure if I'm feeling this middle part, so I might restyle it and do like a side part type of. Yes, honey. Yeah, we'll be doing that after this video. Okay. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Okay, so let's get on to the products. This multi-purpose leave-in. As a deep conditioner, it is very good. My hair was soft. It was moisturized. I really like it as a deep conditioner. So when I was putting it on my hair and I was like, okay, it's got slip. You can detangle with it. But once I hit it with that water, that thing came to life, girl. That thing started popping. Hair got real slippery. Curls was popping. Like, yes, this right here, the wetter, the better. It's life when you add that water to it, period. I really like it. I can't wait to use it again. as a deep conditioner and as a leave-in on a wet style. So leading into that, I used it as a leave-in on blown out hair, and I wouldn't do that again, only because this is the type of leave-in where you want to get the full benefit, the full effect of the leave-in. So the purpose of the Rev Air is to kind of like pull out the moisture. Well, I feel like it was pulling off my product too, so my hair wasn't dry or anything, but this is a leave-in I want to get the full effects of. So I wouldn't use it again on blown out hair, but I cannot wait to use it again on like a wash and go or a, you know, regular twist out. This right here is a very, very good product. No lie, no lie. I wouldn't even lie to y'all. Very good. As far as the twist butter, I like the twist butter. I like the consistency. It's, you know, it's lightweight. It doesn't have a smell. I didn't hardly use any, which is, I believe, because I did it on blown out hair. So another thing is, if you decide to use it on blown out hair, you got to move fast and don't use a lot, because your hair will start to revert. So because this is, the first ingredient is water. So I can't wait to use it again on a wet style. I think it's going to be really nice. But my hair is soft. It has like a nice soft hold. And I like it. This is, it ain't glass, thank God. So yeah, this is a really nice twist butter, and I will be using this again. And I mean, y'all already knew that though. Like, y'all already knew. This oil. Now, I know some people say, oh girl, oil is an oil is an oil. No, it's not. An oil is not an oil is not an oil. There is a difference between oils and how they feel and the consistency and all of that. And this oil is bomb. It's nice, really nice. It's lightweight, but it's still, you could tell it's still in the moisture. I put it in my scalp before I twisted my hair, and I didn't have that thick oil running all down my neck and all of that. Like, this would seem like it just, and I was using a lot still, but it felt like it was soaking in. So I did that, and then I still used it when I was doing my twist, and I still used it for the takedown, and my hair is still not greasy, oily, weighed down. Like, it's still, so that just lets me know how bomb this oil is. And it has a good smell. It smells kind of citrusy to me, which I like that. And y'all wasn't lying about the oil either. Y'all wasn't lying. Y'all don't lie to me, I won't lie to y'all. That's how it is. That's how we have a friendship. You know what I'm saying? A friendship. So, but yeah, I knew these products were going to be good just from what I've seen, and also knowing that they come from someone who actually wears their natural hair on a regular basis, has been doing DIYs for years. That gives me the confidence to know that these products are what our hair needs, wants, and likes. So the products did not fail me. They will be used again. They will be repurchased. And yeah, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, but definitely subscribe. Look out for the giveaways coming soon. I got a giveaway coming up when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So let's get it done. Let's do it, y'all. So yeah, so until next time.